Hi everyone! So guys, we're gonna cook a pork ribs or beef ribs Vietnamese. Yan. Ano to? Sinok ko siya ng salt. Then lagyan yun ng tubig. Salt water. Soak with salt water. Water with salt for 20 to 15 minutes. And then wash it. So, tinatanggalan ko po siya guys ng taba kasi ang dami niyang taba. Kasi, pwede po siya guys for pork ribs or beef ribs. So, I don't have a pork ribs, I'm using a beef ribs. So, yan. Drain natin yung tubig. Malinis naman yung sink. Then, imamarinate natin dito tayo. We're gonna marinate this is a garlic and shallot. I think you can use onion if you don't have garlic, and spring onion, but I don't have a spring onion, so I skip the spring onion. And coconut sugar or other, you can use any kind of sugar you want, and soya sauce, fish sauce. And we're gonna marinate this for 30 minutes to 20 minutes, but I'm gonna marinate this longer than that because I need to go to store for a while. So see you later guys. Ay, madilim, Ayan, better than this one. So we can marinate this guys for 20 to 30 minutes. Like what I said, I'm gonna marinate this longer because I need to go to store. Hi everybody! Hello guys! So, tara guys, pupunta tayo ng store. My routine every weekend when I come to our other house, second house. I have to go to grocery to get something to cook, something to eat. So it's my routine every weekend. So let's go guys. Malapit lang dito guys yung malapit lang dito yung store. Just like 15 minutes drive. Grocery. So, andito na tayo guys. Pero hindi muna tayo sa grocery punta. Punta muna tayo dyan sa Raw. Like guys. Tayo guys. Siyempre yung shopping later. Later ang shopping guys. Magro-ross muna tayo. Siyempre. You know how to work. You know how to shopping. You know how to shopping. You know how to work. You know how to make money. So yan guys, andito na tayo sa shopping. Magtingin-tingin lang naman tayo guys. Anong mayroon? Okay, wala man tayong napili. Marami naman. So, syempre, marami nang ngayon kasi back to school na. Hanap tayo ng damit na naman. Okay. Damit is life. Parang ang laki niya, small. Hello everyone! Oh my god, a lot of fat in here. Look at that, guys. So I am making a spaghetti. Spaghetti, guys. Spaghetti. No? Tanggalan natin ng taba to. Ang daming oil. Ang daming taba. So yun, guys, nag-boil tayo ng ano. So we're gonna get our oven for. I'm gonna wait for that because I'm gonna put the sweet potato there together, okay? So yan, guys, tanggalan natin ito ng mantika. Grabe yung oil. Look at the oil. Itatapon natin to, guys, kaso na ilalagay muna natin dito kasi wala tayong ano. Hindi naman pwede ilagay mo sa ano, mapupunaw yan. Lagay mo natin dito. What happened now? Smatak again. Onion. Sorry guys sa maingay ha, kasi isuspan yan. Nag-ano ako ng isuspan kaya mausok. Ubungin yung aking kasama. Parang nag-dry naman na. Lagyan natin ng oil. Kasi dry naman siya. Itong chili, guys, ano to? My chili from my garden. Hindi to maano, hindi to siya maano. Ayan, lagyan na natin. Ang pabango yan. Ayan guys, kaya dry naman na siya. Dagdagan natin yung oil kasi hindi naman masarap pag walang oil. Ayan, diba? Kaya hindi ko siya pinatuloy. Garlic. Yun na lang, ilagay natin para hindi na tayo maghiwa. Garlic paste. Kulo na yung ating tubig. need more salt. Linis pa naman ang kalan ko, guys. Lagyan natin to para matakpan yung hindi pumasok dun sa kalan. Kasi yung kalan ba, malinis na yung kalan. Nilinis ko kasi last week. Ang bango. You smell the honey? The minced meat? The meat? It smells so good. Lagyan natin yung kunti ka, guys. Kasi na yun. Kunti lang. Ngayon, lagay na natin yung ating sauce. Actually guys, luto na siya. Ayan. Mamaya pag kasi pangit yung dry pag siya. Hindi ko inubos yung isang jar kasi pag dry siya, dagdagan ko na lang siya. Uy! Did you see the honey? Light blink. Look like more salt. The secret, guys, is we're gonna add some parmesan in the sauce. Para masarap siya. Ilagay na natin ito. Ilagay na natin ang utot sa baka. Kainin natin yan sa ulo. I don't need strainer because I'm gonna go straight here. Woo! Oh my goodness. I got white t-shirt guys. So parang magpitik-pitik ito. Teka lang, hinaan natin. Ano yung ating damit hindi ko naman ito matatanggal. Pag ano. Teka lang guys, magbibihis ako. Ay, ano. I'm back. Oh, this is so perfect.
You gonna eat some?
See how first.
Looks good. That smells good.
Sarap.
You haven't made spaghetti in years.
Then we're gonna heat the oven for. Preheat the oven for. You want a garlic bread?
Yeah, but not until we eat.
Okay.
That only takes about 6 or 8 minutes. You cook that last. You know, when the sweet potatoes are done, just cut the oven off and you can just put the garlic bread in there. I only want one piece for lunch.
Sarap na spaghetti guys. Lagyan natin na, bakit putol yung ulo ko, guys? Ayan. Ngayon, wala ka sa maluto. Madali lang maluto ito, guys. Kasi madaliit lang siya. Lagyan ko ng basa kasi pang kasarap talaga. Then, lagyan natin ito na brown sugar. Mas maganda guys kung ilalagay niyo coconut sugar na brown. Pero mayroon din trivia na yung ginagamit namin brown din. Sulang ay. Trivia, yung ginagamit namin na sugar. Ganito ko. Ito po yung ginagamit namin guys ng pangkape, pang araw-araw namin na sugar. Yan, nilalagay natin sa oven yan. Pag natunaw na yung yung sugar, ilalagay natin yung marshmallow. So ngayon okay na to. Ilagay na natin yung ating spaghetti. Tanggalin na. Parang guys, wala ako. Salit na. Mag-iinit kasi ito ano dito eh. Lalagyan natin yung ating noodles. Hindi ko na siya nilagyan ng tubig. Kaminit. Kasi yung sauce, yung pinag-uluhan nito, yun yung magiging ulo niya dito. Yan. Kaya hindi ko na siya drain. Kasi siya yung pinaka-tubig. Hindi ko kasi ito nilagyan ng tubig. Uy. Tapos magluluto tayo ng aking ribs. Ayan, look at the spaghetti honey. Mamaya guys, pag ready to serve na, lalagyan na lang ng parmesan yung ibabaw ng spaghetti. Bango. Okay. So, spaghetti for dinner, guys. And I'm gonna cook a... Open na yung oven natin. So, ngayon magluluto naman tayo ng aking dish. Ano to? 425. I-ano natin ng 425 dito. 8 to 10 minutes. Uy, baliktad, di ba? Nandito yung on, nandito yung kawali. Ay, naku. Unas pa mo. Okay naman yan, hindi nag-dry, so itatago na natin ito. So yun guys, lagyan natin ng oil. Konting oil. Tapos sugar guys. Pero doon talaga yan guys sa ano, ang ginagamit coconut sugar, coconut brown sugar. Ayan, hayaan muna natin guys mag ano yan, mag caramel yung ano niya, sugar niya yan. Pag nag-caramel yung sugar niya, ayan, anuhin na natin. Dito nga ako sa kasa. Pag hindi ako dyan, dito ako. Huwag nyo lang tingnan yung basta sa likod. Tunawin daw natin yung sugar. Lagyan natin ng konti mantika. Kulang sa mantika yung sugar. Caramelize na yan. Tapos ito po yung ribs natin guys. Usually, ano to, beef itong ginamit ko. Pero sa ingredients is pork. Pork siya. And then, pwede rin gawin natin is baka. Eh, malapit na siya mag-caramelize. Tikman natin yung ating spaghetti. You ready for spaghetti, honey?
What, babe?
You ready for spaghetti?
I'll wait for you to eat.
Mine is it's not gonna be take long because I still have to boil that for a
I can
while.
wait a while for you to eat. Okay? Is it good? I see you.
Sarap.
It's a raw.
It's been long, we never ate
It's
spaghetti.
been long, we've never eaten spaghetti. It's been a long time you haven't had spaghetti noodles too. You know, you were a baby probably. Maybe mama gave you some spaghetti.
Sarap na.
He likes pancit, so maybe.
Ayun, pero hindi ko. There guys, it's almost caramelized. Yan na, caramelize na yan. Ayan na guys, tingnan nyo. Yan na siya. Yan. Ilalagay na natin yung ating ribs. Nag-caramel na yung ating sugar. Ilagay na natin yung ating ribs. Uy, nasunog na. Uy! Hinanaan ko na. Nasunog na guys. Iyon natin yung ano natin. Baka mag-ano na.
You have those marshmallows in the oven?
Potato is in the oven. So, gigisahin natin to guys hanggang mawala yung pink-pink niya. Hanggang mawala yung kanyang pink-pink. Ayan, ano natin dito. Para makita nyo. Ayan, nakita nyo ba? Hanggang mawala yung kanyang pink-pink. Itaas natin. Ay, naku. Diyan lang kayo. So, ayan guys. Ayan na yung ano natin. Nakikita nyo yung ano. Ayan na yung ating... Ito ba? Hindi nyo ba nakikita? Ayan yung ating pork. I mean, beef, hindi pork. Ayan guys. Yung caramel niya, medyo nag-ano-ano na, namumula-mula na yung ating ano, hindi na siya pinkish. Ngayon, dagdagan natin ng isang kutsarang patis. Pero hindi na tayo magkutsara-kutsara pa kay. Alam naman na natin yan. To taste. Then, ingredients guys, coconut water. Half lang dito guys. Wala akong ano eh. So may ano to, may laman to. Okay lang yan. Half lang dito kasi malaki to. Dapat isang ano na maliit yung half lang to. Eh wala ako. So, yan na lang. Ngayon guys, hayaan natin siya kumulo hanggang mag ano na siya, yung sauce nito mag-sticky na. Hayaan natin mag-sticky yung sauce niya. Pakuluin lang natin yan. In a low heat. Takpan natin. Okay. So, hayaan natin guys yan hanggang lumambot. Babalikan ko kayo. Turn on it, honey. So, guys, look at our chicken. Chicken.
What chicken?
Sweet potato. Casserole. I'm gonna put the sugar, no? Marshmallow. Ginamit ko na yung ipin ko, guys.
Don't burn yourself.
Yeah. So,
Be careful. More. More.
honey, don't, because I don't want to drop into the.
Don't burn yourself. Oh my God. It's gonna blow up in the oven.
Okay. Whew. Guys, I show you, okay? Ayan, guys. Marshmallow is live.
Marshmallow pie.
Okay. So we're gonna put there and for a while, and then I'm gonna put this. What is this called? Isang perasong garlic bread, only one pieces. Okay. Sticky look. I need to wash this. I'm just gonna eat spaghetti right now because my beef, yeah, my beef is not gonna get done until 2 hours. Okay, guys, your marshmallow, marshmallow is done right there. You cannot see. So anyway, kain tayo, guys. Lunch and dinner. This is our lunch and dinner. So. Anyway, put some cheese on it.
Turn off that oven.
Yeah.
Max, why is your eyes watering?
So you want some sweet potato in your plate?
Yeah, not on top of my spaghetti, but
Wow, sweet potato is look at that, guys. Did you see that?
is it crunchy?
You see, guys? See, guys, wag lang maluto yung aking cellphone, ha? Kaya nasa oven yan. Wow, it's sticky, honey.
It's not crunchy.
The marshmallow is melted now. They melt very fast.
Supposed to turn brown.
Yeah, it's brown a little bit, but it's not very brown because they melt already.
Oh.
Look. Okay. The bread.
Oh.
So anyway, guys, meron pa akong pinapalambot, guys, na ano pala yung bread niya. Ayan. Okay na tong bread mo. Ow!
Stop. Be careful. Silly. Ow.
Be careful, you silly. Yeah.
I've got marshmallows in my spaghetti. Ouch.
Kain tayo, guys.
Tayo.
Kain tayo, guys. Wala naman ako ulo. Ayan yung ating spaghetti lang. Ayaw ko ng garlic bread. Spaghetti lang tayo. So, can you pray in our dinner lunch?
Yeah.
Kain tayo. Kita niyo yung mga gamot. Baka maano tayo kay ano.
Are you through?
Okay, guys, saglit lang, kakain muna kami.
Blacks are going to finish here, but look at all the names of purple. You know, I, Campbell, Connell, Bell, Briscoe, this is the top.
Come here.
Logano.
Good boy.
Our must like spaghetti.